Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to hide a page on Wix. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unmute it. So first of all, open Wix editor and click on menus and pages and select site menu, and here you will find all the pages you created on your website. And for example, I want to hide this about page from my website, so I'm clicking on this three dot icon here and now clicking on hide, and here we can see the about page has been gone. And if you want to unhide, click on these menus and pages and you can select side menu, and here you will get the hidden page. All you have to need to unhide, click on this three dot and click on show. So this is how we can hide and unhide page on Wix. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to unmute it. Thank you for watching.